Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show how to make Sunburst animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and in this video I will show very easy way for create sprawl and Sunburst animation. So first one, let's click here and enable titillation save and go to pen tool. Let's zoom to here and go to center. Let's click one here and go to back, zoom out, and let's hold shift, make like this line, and clisation tool, and let's go to fill, click fill and select none for close inside color, click OK and go to stroke width, change to 100. Okay, so let's open inside and contents, shape 1 and stroke 1, open here taper and change taper 100%. Nice. So select the shape layer and go to pen behind the icon and hold this point, hold shift, move to down anchor point. Let's zoom to here and move to down like this. Okay, so clisation tool, close settings, and right now let's fit up to 100%. Go to add and let's select repeater, then open repeater 1 and change copy as 11 and open inside here, change X position 0 and change rotation like this. And for fill this, select the shape layer 1 and go to pen tool. Let's select this point, move to up for full screen. Clisation tool, change stroke width. Okay, not bad. And let's close settings, right mouse, new, and create solid background and add name background. Go to color, select this color and change to light red. Click OK again and move to behind shape layer. And for change color, let's go to effects preset, search effect fill, use fill for background, and let's try change color like this for retro style. Click OK and select the shape layer, press R, open rotation, make rotation keyframe, and let's go to 6 seconds, press N for select work area and change rotation to, let's see. Nice. For change speed, change 1. Nice, I like it. Also, let me show next way for make rotation with expressions. Let's click for close rotation, go to back and hold alt, click this time icon and right here time and 200. For down expression, click this empty area, let's see. Okay, this is very fast. Again, change this 100. Nice. Let's try change this 45. Okay, that's good. So right now let's add vintage effect. Let's right mouse, new and solid layer, select this color black, click OK and add name shadow and click OK. Then go to shape layers, hold this icon and select this ellipse tool and let's double click this ellipse tool. Nice. Open mask 1 and click inverted checkbox and change mask feather. Okay, that's good. And change mask expansion. Clisation tool and let's see difference. Nice. And let's go to effects preset, search effect noise. Don't forget to create new adjustment layer and select this noise, use for adjustment layer. Let's zoom to here, change amount of noise, change 25 and let's see again difference. Let's zoom to here and let's see. Nice, not bad. So that's all. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.